Hi students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, we are going to learn mathematics only. See, class 4th ICC, subject mathematics, chapter 6, fractions. And today we are going to learn exercise 6.6 because before we learned 6.5, isn't it children? And this is session 21. Okay, now we'll go into the sums. Okay children, in the last class we learned like and unlike fractions, isn't it children? We learned like and unlike fractions, and today we are going to learn proper and improper fractions. Okay children, what is proper fraction? We'll see. Fractions which are less than one whole. One whole means what children? What I said, the full box is a whole. This full is a whole. Otherwise 2 by 2 is the whole. In that one it's divided into half, isn't it? So which is less than one whole is called proper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator will be always smaller than the denominator. Can you see here children? See, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. This is denominator and this is numerator, and the numerator will be in proper fraction, it will be always smaller than the denominator. Okay children, and now we'll see what is improper fractions. Fractions which are equal to or more than one whole. See, more than one whole means, see, can you see the picture? See, this is one whole, and see, and another fraction is there. So this is one whole, so 2 by 2, and here 1 by 2 because 1 is shaded. So when we add these both, we get what? 3 by 2. So this is more than one whole, Now in improper fraction, what will happen? The numerator will be greater than the denominator. Numerator will be greater than the denominator, or it will be equal to the denominator. Equal means what? Like this, 4 by 4. Understood children? See, once 4 by 4 will come, otherwise 9 by 4. Numerator can be divided by the denominator. Okay children, this is called improper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator will be lesser than the denominator, and in improper fraction, the numerator will be greater than the denominator, or it will be equal to the denominator. Understood children? Now we'll see some sums. Change improper fractions to mixed numerals. See, mixed numerals means like this only. See, this is improper fraction. This is improper. See, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So what you have to do children? The 9 can be divided. You have to divide 9 in 4 tables. See, here 9 and the denominator 4 here. So in 4 tables 9 doesn't go. But smaller than 9 means what will come? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8, what's the remainder? 1. This is the new numerator because this is the old numerator and this is the new numerator, and this is called whole number. This is called whole number. Okay children, and this is called denominator. So when we come to the answer, how we have to write? 2 1 by 4. So whole number you have to write in the side, and new numerator will be on the on the top, and the denominator here. So 2 1 by 4. So when we can multiply, see, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 9 by 4. Answer is correct. Okay children, likewise we'll do the second sum. See, what will come? We have to put 5 here, 5 inside, and then 2 denominator here. Okay children, so in 2 table 5 will go children? No, it won't go. So what will come? Lesser than 5 means 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4, what children? Remainder 1 will come. So answer what you have to write children? Answer what will come? Answer 2 first you have to write here, 2, and then the numerator on the top and the denominator here. So what's the answer? Again the same answer. No, this 2 will come here. Sorry. Okay. This denominator you have to put here. So 2 1 by 2. When you multiply like this, 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2. See, the answer is correct. Okay, children. Likewise, we'll see another sum. 15 by 10. This is called improper fraction. Okay. So, 15 you have to put here and 10 here. Okay. In 10 tables, 15 goes? No. What you have to do? 10 1 is 10. Otherwise, what will come? 10 2s are means 20 will go. Isn't it, children? So, 10 1 is 10. So, 15 minus 10, what will come, children? Remainder 5. Remainder 5. Isn't it, children? Okay. Okay, children. Now, what's the answer will come, children? Answer 1. This one we have to write here. 1. This 5 will go up. And below you have to write 10. The denominator. Children, this should be in the side only. You should not write above. If you write above means it will come 15 like that. So you have to write like this only. 1 10 is 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 10. Understood, children? And one more sum we will see. 14 by 15. So 14 by 5. 14 by 5. So 14 divisible by 5. So 14 goes in 5 tables, children? No. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. And 14 minus 10, what's the remainder, children? 4. So what's the answer you have to write? What's the answer you have to write? 2 4 by 5. 2 4 by 5. So when 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 4, what? 14. 14 by 5. Okay, children, understood all of you? Okay, in this exercise, I have given 2 sums for homework. 11 by 4 and 8 by 5. Understood, children? Continuously, you can do these 2 sums. Okay, we'll move on to the B1. Change mixed numerals to improper fraction. See, now, last division we saw, the one like this only we got the answer, isn't it? Now, we have to change it into the improper fraction. How to change into improper fraction, children? You have to multiply these two. 1 4 is 4 and you have to add. These two you have to multiply and this two what you have to do? You have to add. 1 into 4 plus 1 and the denominator you have to write as it is. Okay, children. Now 4 plus 1, what? 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. So, if you multiply like this also easy. 4 1 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 4. Okay, children. We'll see this sum. 2 1 by 2. So, what you have to write, children? You have to multiply these two. So, 2 into 2 plus 1. And you have to write as it is. The denominator you have to write as it is. Okay, children. Okay, now 2 2s are what will come? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 by 2. So, what's the answer? What's the answer? 4 plus 1? 5 by 2. See, can you see, children? The numerator is greater than the denominator. In improper fraction, we get 5 is greater than, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So, what's the answer, children? Answer is 5 by 2. Okay. Here, 2, 1 by 4. So, what, children? What you have to write, children? 2 into 4 plus 1 by 4. What's the denominator? 4 is the denominator. So, 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 by 4. The denominator you should not change. Okay, children? So, 8 plus 1 what will come? 9. 9 by 4. So, what's the answer? 9 by 4. Okay, children? Have you understood? Okay, we'll see one more sum and then I will give homework. Okay. 3 2 by 3. So, what we have to write? 3 into 3. Multiply by 3 plus 2 by 3. So, 3 3s are what, children? 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 9 plus 2. How much, children? 11 by 3. So, what's the answer? Answer is 11 by 3. See, while doing, children, you can use the pencil, children. I am not having. See, you can draw a line like this so that it will be easy and it will be very neat also. Okay, children, will you do that one? You can draw a line with a pencil. Use a pencil. Okay, children. And then I have given 2 homework. 5 and 6 I have given homework. In the A also I gave 2 homework, and in the B one also I gave 2 homework. Okay, children. We'll see the C1. See, write whole numbers as fractions. All, see, we have to write, this is called whole numbers. This is called whole numbers, and we have to write as a fraction. You have to write as a fraction. So what you have to do, all whole numbers can be written as fractions with denominator 1. Denominator 1 means what? You have to write below. So easy, very easy. So the whole number on the top and the whole number 1, this is fraction. Easy, no, children? The whole number on the top and the denominator 1 you have to write. So here what will come? 3 by 1. Here 5 by 1. And here 7 by 1. 9 by 1. And then here 10 by 1. Easy, you know, children? Okay? See, these are the whole numbers. These are the whole numbers. When we write as a fraction, we have to put 1 in the denominator. You have to write 1 in the denominator. So the whole number will be written as a fraction like this. Okay, children? Okay. Now we'll move on to the last one. See, this is very easy. Write the value of the given fractions. Write the value of the given fractions. See, first one is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is given. See, when the numerator is greater than the denominator, we can divide. You can use like this. You can write like this also. You can put 4 inside. See, like this. 2 2s are 4. So what answer we get? This is the answer. So only I have given like this. Okay, children. Another method, what? 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Then also we get the same answer. Understood? In 2 method you can do. Like this also, 6 by 2. In 2 tables 6 goes, isn't it, children? What we can do? 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. So what's the answer? 3. Then 9 by 3. In 9 by 3, 9 goes in 3 tables. 3 1 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So what's the answer again? 3. In the fourth one, 12 by 3. In 3 tables, 12 goes, isn't it, children? So what will come? See, 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. So what's the answer? 4. And then 10 by 5. See, 10 by 5, 10 goes in 5 tables, isn't it? So 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10. So answer 2. So this is very easy. This all given in page number 105. Page number 105. Children, you have to do it in the note only. No need to do it in the book. You can do it in the book also, but you have to copy down in the note also. And here I have given 2 sums, 8 by 4 and 12 by 4. Children, if I have left any sums, what you can do it on your own, so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, children, will you do? Okay. Now again, once again I will make a review. Listen carefully, children. Proper fraction means what, children? Which are less than 1 whole are called proper fraction. This is whole, and this is less than 1 whole means 1 by 2 means Padi we will tell. Whole means full. In that one, half means what? It's less than a whole. Understood, children? That is called proper fraction. And always the proper fraction and the numerator will be lesser than the denominator. This is numerator and this is denominator. Okay, children? So the numerator will be always lesser than the denominator. And then improper fractions. Improper fraction, what will come? It will be equal to or more than 1 whole. Equal to, see, again I am telling, equal to means like this, 4 by 4, or more than means 9 by 4 like this. They are called improper fraction. In an improper fraction, the numerator is always greater than or equal to the denominator. Greater than or equal to the denominator. Like that means you have to find that it's an improper fraction. Okay. And here we saw this is improper fraction. We have to change this improper fraction into mixed numerals. This is called mixed numerals. Okay children, and this is called whole number, this is called numerator, and this is called denominator. While writing the answer, first what you have to write? You have to write the whole number only. First you have to write the whole number and then numerator and then denominator. Understood children? If you write like this only, the answer will be correct. If you write some of them, what they will do now, they will be writing, see, 2 by 1 like this. If they will write this 2, they will write like this, and the 2 they will put up, and if this means wrong. You should not write like this is wrong. Always you have to follow this only. First you have to write the whole number and then the numerator and then the denominator. Children, don't forget. Okay children. And then second one we learned. First we learned improper fraction into mixed numerals, and now mixed numerals into improper fractions. So what we learned, this is mixed, and see, you have to multiply these two. The whole number and the denominator you have to multiply. The whole number and the denominator you have to multiply, and then you have to add the numerator. You have to add the numerator. Understood? 1 4 is 4 and 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4. Likewise, you have to write mixed numerals into improper fraction, and then write the whole numbers. Whole numbers means we found that these are called whole numbers. And how to write as a fraction? While writing as a fraction, we have to write 1 in the denominator. See here, solely I have given this one. All whole numbers can be written as fractions with the denominator 1. So 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 5 by 1, like that. So very easy this exercise, isn't it children? And the last one, again write the value for the given fraction. Means what you have to do? You can do by division, or you can directly multiply like this. So it will be easy. 4 by 2 means 2 1 is 2 and 2 2s are 4. So what's the answer? 2 is the answer. Okay children. I think all have understood, I think. See children, write in neat handwriting. Question you can write in black and answer you can write in blue, so that you can see the variations. You can see the difference. You can see the difference which is answer. Otherwise it will be very hard. Okay children, will you do that one? Children, whenever I am sending in WhatsApp group, children, don't avoid. We can write it later. Like that, don't leave it like that. Continuously, if you write means you also will not get confusion. Okay children, I think all will complete till exercise 6.6. When I ask in Zoom class, I should see all of them have completed. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Bye. Thank you.